today's uvex X showcase, it is my pleasure to present you an absolute highlight within our uvex 3 product family, the uvex 3 Macsole. Hi, my name is Stefan, and in my role as an international product manager within the uvex safety group, I had the privilege to support the product development of the unique uvex 3 series. The uvex 3 Macsole is our highlight product for heavy-duty applications. It is definitely the perfect choice for any challenging areas of applications, such as in the processing industry, construction works, or within gardening and landscaping. Really the Champions League of heavy applications. In these areas, safety shoes have to provide their wearers a maximum of protection against thermal and mechanical influences. With the uvex waterstop technology, we have developed a specially tanned leather that protects the wearer against water penetration and absorption 4 times longer than the European standard requires. In addition to the fiberglass reinforced composite toe cap and the integrated penetration resistance, our patented rubber Macsole makes the shoe even more robust. The sustainable rubber compound is made from up to 30% recycled materials. The special geometrical structure of the outsole profile enables us to save raw material and reduces weight of the outsole by another 10%. The outsole is particularly resistant to heat, chemicals, and cuts. In addition, the sole technology also performs extremely well in cold weather conditions thanks to its highly developed slip and abrasion resistance. To enable full protection and functionality, we have paid a lot of attention to the issues of anti-fatigue, maximum comfort and lightness when developing the uvex 3 series. For example, the innovative uvex i-PUREnrj midsole compound brings cushioning and energy return to a totally new level. Therefore, we are able to significantly reduce fatigue issues for the lower body. In the upper area, the uvex lace lock system ensures comfortable lacing that stabilizes the ankle and prevents twisting. The uvex Ankle Pro foam, which has been installed in the collar area, also protects against painful impacts in the ankle area. So you can see the uvex 3 Macsole really offers full protection and support during any of your activities within extreme environments.